Painting 1 2 3. Painting Theory 3. The Saturation. Intimate advice. Please read Painting Theory 1.1 to 1.8. Painting Theory 2.1 to 2.3. Then read this unit. The saturation. After eliminating white light, the residual values of cone cell are used to define the hue. The residual values are also used to calculate the saturation. The sum of the residual values of the cone cell is divided by the sensed value of the rod cell, is the saturation. White light is mostly from the surrounding diffuse light. White light eliminated, the more saturation is lower. The reflected light of distant mountain go through the air layer into our eyes. The farther away, the more diffuse light, the lower the saturation. Two mountains on far distant, comparing the saturations, we can determine which one fairer. The scene of near place in the sun. Reflected light is very strong, diffuse light is very weak, high saturation. In the dark scene, the reflected light is very weak, the proportion of diffuse light increased, so that the saturation reduced. When painting, add a little gray, we can reduce the saturation. For example, the green mountain, adding a little gray, the saturation is reduced, the distance feels far. How to get gray? The sky has some gray. Blue plus orange, mixed into black. Plus lots of white, get gray. The grove has some gray. Green plus red, mixed into black. Plus lots of white, get gray. Welcome to see the film to learn painting. Enjoy the fun of painting.